Guitarlings, I'm Gray at Hub Guitar, and today we're here with another plucking hand exercise for fingerstyle guitar. So here we go. Today's pattern is going to use the 5th string, the 3rd string, the 2nd string, and the 1st string, but it's not going to be a straight up roll. It's going to be thumb, index, and then ring coming back down to the middle finger. So it's going to be a little bit out of order, which is what makes it a great exercise. We're going to start with an A minor 7 chord, and for that we just need to get our index finger of our fretting hand onto the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And then we pluck our pattern, thumb, index, ring, and middle. Go ahead and look down at your hand and say, come on hand, can you do this for me? Thumb, index, ring, middle. So look at your hand and tell it to do that. Otherwise, it might want to revert to familiar patterns. For the next chord, C major, we're going to keep our index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and we're going to put our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Like that. And we're going to play the same pattern, thumb, index, ring, middle. Now for our G over B, things get kind of exciting. We're going to take our middle finger and put that on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. We're going to move our index finger back to the 1st fret of the high E string. And we're going to get our pinky in position on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So that one's a little bit tricky and it might need some practice. Then for the E7 over B, we're going to keep that finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, which is our middle finger. But we're going to move our index finger back to the 3rd string on the 1st fret, followed by an open high E string and the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So as written, those are supposed to be played one time each. But I think you can kind of stretch that out a little bit, maybe play them twice each. That lets you focus a little bit more on the plucking pattern and a little bit less on the fretting hand and the switching chords and all of that stuff. Remember, this is a plucking exercise. All right, so that's it for today's lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. If so, please stay tuned because there are many more to come. Thanks for watching.